This is Charlie Stocker with HeyGardenGuy.com, Hey Garden Guy Charlie Stocker on Facebook and YouTube. And we're here answering questions that have been given to us by the viewers, not only on the Facebook and YouTube page, our website, but also on the television show. And this one question may seem somewhat elementary, but I think if we can put in your mind all of the benefits of this question, I think it will resonate to where it motivates you to use mulch. And the question is from Diane. I think mulch many times breaks down so much that the expenses are not worth the product of putting it down. Tell me the advantages of mulch. So that's what our question is today. Why mulch? And I think you need to look at the two different types of mulch, one of which is in your hardscape, one of which is rock or gravel type of mulch, and that's not what we're talking about today. We're talking about wood-based mulch. What is the advantage? When do you put it down? How thick do you put it down? And how do you put it down? Here are just some advantages, and one of the obvious is it adds beauty. If you put it down in the spring and the fall, it adds beauty. And you want to put down anywhere from 2 to 4 inches at a time. And a key mistake many people make when putting down their mulch, 2 to 4 inches, is they bring the mulch all the way up to the base of the plant and they touch the plant with that mulch. And that's a no-no. Always keep that mulch at least 1/4 to 1/2 inch away from the trunk or the base of that plant. So number one, it adds beauty. Number two, mulch retains moisture. So if you don't get to watering your plants, maybe on a regular schedule, you're busy, whatever, that mulch will retain the moisture for those surface roots to really develop. Number three, it holds back the weeds and does a very good job of it. And you can test that by mulching an area 2 to 4 inches and then not doing anything in another area, and you know which one you're going to be fighting weeds in. A fifth thing that mulching does is it stops erosion. Another is when you put down the mulch, a lot of times after that point and you water, the pathogens from the soil splash up on the leaves. So mulching actually reduces the disease that a plant can actually get. So know that it is worth it to mulch. It does add beauty, suppresses weeds, retains the moisture, stops erosion, and you can find a lot of mulches that are inexpensive and you keep building up from one year to the next. It breaks down as organic matter and it ends up feeding the soil where the soil can feed the plant. So think about mulching because we're getting close to that time now. This is Charlie Stocker with HeyGardenGuy.com, Hey Garden Guy Charlie Stocker, Facebook, raising your garden IQ one question at a time.